How to see your TikTok password if you forgot. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application TikTok. Tap on login at the bottom and then click on the very first option. Use phone, email or username. Head over to email or username. Now first of all you have to enter the username of your account and then click on continue. Now you have to enter the password. Once the keyboard appears on your screen, if you have already saved the password, then autofill option will be visible to you. If it is visible, then all you want to do is click on it and then you'll be able to see the password of your TikTok. But if you don't see the autofill option in the keyboard, then the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings. Scroll down and you'll see the option of password. Head over to it. This interface will appear on your screen. Well, the application of the password that you have saved will be visible to you. If you couldn't find it, then you can search it in the search bar. If you find the option of TikTok, then head over to it. Inside that, you'll be able to see the option of password. Click on it. Once you click on password, the password will be visible to you. But if you haven't saved the password before, then it won't be available. All you have to do is recover or reset the password and then only you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can see your TikTok password if you have forgot. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.